Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good? That's really great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Welcome to your computing class. In today's class, we will learn something new. So, first, tell me how many of you have revised the yesterday's lecture at your home? Yes. What we did in yesterday's class? Very good. We learned that how to add an image into the Word file, right? Let's say if you are making a file, how to add image into that, right? So, and you practiced adding image related to your hobbies into the file that we created last week, right? So in today's class, we will learn that let's say beside images, how we can add different shapes into that as well. So I'm going to share the screen with you. First, we will revise what we have learned so far, and then we will be learning the today's work as well. Okay, so first we have this is a blank word page. Let's quickly revise what we did in yesterday's class. In yesterday's class, we learned that how we can add an image. So for that, the first step was that we will click on the insert. Insert is the third option in the toolbar. After clicking on that, another option box will appear. Now it has a lot of options that what do you want to insert actually, right? So over here, we want to insert an image or picture, right? So for that, the option is picture. Now, when we click on this picture, there is this small arrow. It gives us three options. You want to insert a picture from this device. You want to stock it, like you want to search it, or you want to have a picture from online from Google, right? So whatever option you want to use, you can do. And what we practiced was from the device. So for that, we will click on this device. The next step is that you will choose the location from where you found you want to add the picture. Let's say I chose this location as desktop. Now on desktop, I have a lot of pictures. I will select this day and night picture and click on insert. Now the picture has been insert over here, right? The second thing that we learned was that how we can change the size of it. Now this is even more interesting. The step is first you will click on the picture, then you will bring the cursor to the corner of it. Over here you will have a find double arrow, right? And by dragging this, you can change the size of picture. You can make it small, you can make it big as well, right? In this manner. So that was what we have learned in yesterday's class. Now in today's class, we will learn how we can add shapes to it. So in order to add shapes, we will again click on insert, right? From here, then we will click on this shapes. There is this arrow. When you will click on it, it will open all the shapes for you. Whatever shape you want to choose. Let's say I want to make a star. I'll click on star. Now over here, I will draw it. Put the cursor, press left and then drag it. So now this star has, now we can make it bigger as well. We can make it small as well. Now this is a star. Now let's say I want to change the color of it. I'll click on this and see over here all of the options have been appeared. Whatever color you want to give to this star, you can choose that. Let's say I want to give this one. Now see, it's done. Similarly, if I want to add another picture, the same procedure would be click on insert, then go to the shapes option, click on the arrow. It will open all the options for you. Now whatever shape you want to, let's say I want to choose this sign. Now I'll click it over here, I'll drag it and this has opened. Got it? Now again, the same procedure would be, let's say if I want to change the size of it or the color of it, I want to make it this, so it's done. Got it? So in this manner, we draw the shapes together. Got it? Now you will be practicing this in today's class. I want all of you to please open Word. First revise what we did in yesterday's class and then practice what we have done today. And then tell me if is there any confusion in that or not. Hurry up. Hurry up. Start working. Let me know when you are done. Yes. Who is done? Any confusion? Wonderful. What about you, Vase? Excellent. So all of you are done? Was it easy? Yes, it was. Okay, great. So that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.